Here we have the Shark Envy 360 Navigator. It's easily one of the most popular vacuums on the market. It's been great to use the Envy 360 for the past few weeks, and I've used a lot of the top competitor products as well in the past. There are definitely some things I wish I knew before purchasing that would have made my decision a lot easier. In the box, there is the handle with the stretch hose, the portable lift-away unit, a motorized floor brush, an extension wand, and accessory holder. There is also a dusting brush, a pet power brush, 5.5-inch crevice tool, and an appliance wand, along with the user manual. Setting up the Shark Envy 360 Navigator is quite straightforward. Place the floor brush on a level surface and attach the lift-away until you hear a click. This ensures the electrical connection is made between them. The other attachments snap on easily, and once it's assembled, the unit overall feels sturdy. It's handy to be able to place the accessories on the holder so that they're easy to get to as you move around using the unit. To start using the Envy 360, first plug the vacuum in and the power switch is on top of the lift-away canister. It lets you choose between different floor modes, either a bare floor setting which uses suction only, or a motorized brush setting for carpet. This makes transitioning between various surfaces in your home very easy. A big advantage of the Shark Envy 360 Navigator is its lift-away feature. Basically, the canister can be detached from the unit, making it really easy to maneuver and vacuum in hard-to-reach places like stairs, furniture, and tight corners. The Envy 360 is like having an upright and a canister vacuum in one. It's a super convenient feature, and I found I use the lift-away feature almost as much as the full vacuum. It can also be used with the extended wand for reaching really high places like the top of window coverings or ceiling corners. The swivel steering on the Envy 360 provides excellent control for maneuvering around furniture, so that no spot is left out. And because the nozzle is wide, the floor cleaning is done quickly and without a lot of hassle. The Shark Envy 360 Navigator has an anti-allergy complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. That means dust and allergens are trapped inside the vacuum, which keeps the air in your home cleaner and fresher. I used the upholstery brush when in lift-away mode and the same with the crevice tool, and they both worked really well. But my personal favorite attachment is the pet power brush. It was awesome at picking up pet hair from all surfaces. The Shark Envy 360's cord is a good length, so you can cover quite a bit of space without constantly searching for a new outlet. And once you're done, the cord wrap feature ensures everything stays neat and tidy. The dust cup is quite large, so it usually only needs to be emptied once after the cleaning job is done. And the Envy 360 is very low maintenance. The regular pre-motor filter should be taken out and rinsed under lukewarm water every few months. And the HEPA filter should only need cleaning every couple of years or so. All in all, the Shark Envy 360 Navigator is a versatile and powerful vacuum. It stands out with its convenient lift-away design, plus it has swivel steering and anti-allergen technology. It has bare or brush roll settings based on the type of floor being cleaned, and lots of accessories like crevice brush and a pet roller to handle any special parts of the cleaning job. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.